Friends, welcome once again to Saga's Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to provide a solution to this particular problem having here before us. We trade about in our last videos we trade about what? Differentiation. Now we are on what? Implicit what? Differentiation. We all know that differentiation is a method of finding the derivatives of a function, and derivative is the rate of change with respect to what? Another quantity. Now we are having implicit differentiation. Now in implicit differentiation, all the rule that bind differentiation is being what? Apply. Now let's look at this implicit. Implicit, the implicit simply means the indirect way of differentiating a function. Now let's look at this. We are given that x square times y plus y square times x plus 4x equals to 1. They have to differentiate and find the derivatives of y with respect to x. Now looking for finding the derivatives of y with respect to x, meaning the change that will occur in y with respect to x. That's all about the y over what? The x. Now when we differentiate this, we will apply our product rule. Now we differentiate when we differentiate x, we keep y constant. When we differentiate y, we keep what? X constant. Now from here, if we differentiate x square, I'm going to have what? 2xy. That means I'll differentiate x square and keep y constant. Then that means I will differentiate y and keep x constant with plus x square. Since if I differentiate y is just 1, so we multiply by 1, and when you are differentiating y, you have what? The y over what? The x close. Then plus. Now I will differentiate y raised to power to the y square and keep x constant. So if I differentiate y square, I'm going to have 2y then I keep x constant. From here I'm going to have into the y over what? The x. Then I will differentiate x and keep y constant. If I differentiate x is 1, then I will left with what? Y what? Square multiplied by that 1, because if I differentiate x is what? 1. Then plus. Then if I differentiate 4x is just 4, equals to what? Equals, if I differentiate a constant is 0, all known. Now from here I'm going to have that 2xy plus x square into what? The y over the x close plus what? 2yx into what? The y over the x close plus your what? Y raised to the power of 2 plus your 4 is equal what? 0. Let's see like terms. You can see that these are like terms. So I'm going to have that x square into what? The y over the x close plus what? 2yx into what? The y over the x close equals what? Now I'm going to move all this to the right hand side. So I'm going to have, if I move all this to the right hand side, I'm going to have that. I'm going to have minus 2xy. Look at minus 2xy. Move over to my right hand side, become minus 2xy. Now look at this 4 and y raised to power to move over here, become what? Minus y square. Then 4 move there, become what? Minus 4. Now from here, what is common? I can say that the y over the s is common. I'll factorize the y over the s since they are common. So the y over the s are common into, when this divided by this, I'm going to have s square. Then when this divided by this, I'm going to have plus 2yx, because this multiplied by this will give me this, and this multiplied by this will give me this, equals to what? Minus 2xy minus y square minus 4. Now for me to have divided, I have to divide both sides by this. So if I divide both sides by s square plus 2yx, I'm divide here by what? S square plus 2yx. You can see that this will cancel out this, so that my dy over the x will be equals to, since these are common, minus is common, I can factorize minus out into this divided by minus 1 will give me 2xy. Then this divided by minus 1 will be what? Plus what? Y square. Then this divided by minus 1 will be what? Plus 4 close all over what? All over s square plus 2yx. And this is just the clear solution to this particular problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well and share the video with your friends. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.